Welcome to today's video. I'm Richard Chapo. I'm an internet lawyer down in San Diego, California. Today we are delving into the online sales tax issue even more. Today we're going to look at a common misunderstanding. Specifically, do you have to collect and remit sales tax for the sale of digital goods online? The issue has come to a head because of the recent South Dakota versus Wayfair decision, which the Supreme Court said states could now collect sales tax from out-of-state retailers as long as certain thresholds were met. So can you do it? And the common assumption is that no, you do not have to collect sales tax for online digital goods sales. And this common assumption is wrong. Sales tax, when it was first created, was really applicable to what were considered physical products. So if you went out and bought shoes or clothing or DVD or whatever it may be, that was really where the regulations and the rules were put in place. But those rules and regulations have changed, and they changed quite a while ago, so I'm not sure why people still have this understanding or at least this belief. Today, what you're seeing is at least 25 states have rules that require you to collect sales tax for online digital sales. Now, how they define a digital sale is frustrating because each state seems to be doing it in a different manner. So in some states, you may have the sales tax only apply to certain types of digital sales, maybe only software. In other states, maybe it applies to everything that's possibly sold online. So they'll try to cram, a membership or something into the definition. So you're kind of forced to look at all the different definitions and try to figure out, where you have to comply and where you don't. Now, keep in mind that these states have to have thresholds. So there has to be a certain level of sales and or revenue generated before you have to comply with the law there. So that was kind of one of the qualifiers of the Wayfair decision by the Supreme Court. A lot of people seem to forget that. So if you were in South Dakota, for instance, that threshold is $100,000 in revenues generated from sales of products or services, or 200 transactions. Now, other states are going to have different rules and regulations on that. So make sure you check with them or check with your CPA and make him do it, him or her. So as we're doing this, or as I'm doing this video right now, we're looking at a situation where there are 25 states that require you to collect sales tax for online digital goods in one form or another. I can almost guarantee you that by the time I finish this video, there will be more states that require that. And eventually we'll see all the states that have sales tax for physical products also having sales tax for online digital sales. Why would they not? They're going to want that tax revenue, and if everybody else is doing it, then they might as well do it as well, also. So that's the scenario you're looking at. Again, I'm expecting that there are going to be computer programs that will be developed to take care of all of this, so you don't end up spending 10 hours a day just trying to figure out and meet your sales tax obligations. But definitely talk with your CPA. If you don't have a CPA, get one. They will save you a ton of money. And you're looking for a proactive CPA, somebody who doesn't just wait for you to show up, a week before taxes are due and dump a bunch of receipts on them. You want somebody who's going to meet with you once or twice a year, look at your business, see how things are going, look at your personal life, see how things are going financially, and then put a plan in place to minimize your taxes. CPA will save you a ton of money, so don't be cheap. Go use one, and also their fees are deductible. So that's the subject for today. I will list the 25 states that currently require sales tax to be collected in the description of this video. But please keep in mind that those number of states are going to expand, and probably quickly. So make sure to check online for whatever the updated number of states are. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. If you have questions or comments, you can reach me at SoCalInternetLawyer.com. Just use the contact page. I get all those messages, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thanks.